go, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn more words. So let's look at our goals again. I am going to say the word. That means you will listen to the word, like the word said. Then you will say it and I'll be quiet. Once you say the word, you're going to read it in a sentence like the word said. For example, today she said no. And say it like talking. Today she said no. Once you've read the word in a sentence like talking, you're going to write it as quickly as you can. And as you write each word, you're going to say each word. Saying each word helps you to think about the word while you write it. So here are our goals. Listen to the word, say it, read it in a sentence, and write it as quickly as you can, saying each word while you write it. So listen, say it, read it, write it. Get your mouth ready. First word, listen. Few. Few. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Next, I will read the word in a sentence like talking. The people said, give it a few years. You read it like talking. Get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. I can't hear you. People said, give it a few years. Read it like talking. The people said, give it a few years. Next word. Get your mouth ready. Listen. Those. Those. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Next, I will read the word in a sentence like talking. What might you do with those books? You read it like talking. Get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. Stretch those words out, boys and girls, so your brain can learn. What might you do with, can't hear you, those books? Let's read it like talking. What might you do with those books? Get your mouth ready. Next word, listen. Always. Always. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Next, I will read the word in a sentence like talking. He's always been kind to me. You read it like talking. Now, let's write the sentence quickly, saying each word while we write it. Stretch those words out. He's always been kind to me. Let's read that sentence like talking. He's always been kind to me. Get your mouth ready for the next word. Listen. Show. Show. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Good. Next, I will read the word in a sentence like talking. Show me another bright color. You read it like talking. Get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. Show. I can't hear you. Me. Still can't hear you. Another bright color. Now let's read that sentence like talking. Show me another bright color. Good job, boys and girls. Get your mouth ready for the next word. Listen. Large. Large. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Next, I will read the word in a sentence like talking. The butterfly said they have a large house. You read it like talking. Now get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. The butterfly said they have a large house. Now let's read that sentence like talking. The butterfly said they have a large house. Get your mouth ready for the next word. Listen. Often. Often. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Now I will read the word in a sentence like talking. I often talk to him on the bus about something. You read it like talking. Get ready to write this sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. I often talk to him on the bus about something. Let's read that sentence like talking. I often talk to him on the bus about something. Get your mouth ready for the next word. Together. Together. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Next, I will read the word in a sentence like talking. The family ate dinner together. You read it like talking. Get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. Stretch those words out, boys and girls, so your brain can learn them. The family ate dinner together. Let's read that sentence like talking. The family ate dinner together. Get your mouth ready for the next word. Anything. Anything. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. She asked him anything she wanted to. Now you read it like talking. Get ready to write this sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. She asked him anything she wanted to. Let's read that sentence like talking. She asked him anything she wanted to. Get your mouth ready for the next word. Listen. House. House. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Next, I will read the word in a sentence like talking. This extremely tiny house has 6 rooms. You read it like talking. Get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. This extremely, I can't hear you, tiny house has 6 rooms. Let's read that sentence like talking. This extremely tiny house has 6 rooms. Get your mouth ready for our last word. Don't. Don't. Now you say it and I'll be quiet. Next, I will read the sentence like talking. Please don't fool around on the playground. You read it like talking. Get ready to write the sentence quickly, saying each word while you write it. Please don't fool around on the playground. Now let's read that sentence like talking. Please don't fool around on the playground. Get your mouth ready for more. Bye for now. I'll see you next week.